Welcome to Raj Creation. This is part 2 of big extended square pattern of Kutch work. This is the filling part. Start from the corner. For filling, I am also using 4 strands of thread. One up and one down rule has to be followed while doing the filling. After completing these 7 clusters, we will move upwards. You can start from any point, but I do this always in this way. If your outline is correct, filling will be always correct, else you have difficulty in doing. I suggest you to see this video in a full screen mode so that you can clearly see the thread movements and how to do the filling. Do not stretch the thread, do it with ease. You can also do the outline and filling with the same color thread, but in order to show you, I am using different color threads. As you can see, we are reaching towards the center of motif, and from here we will move towards the another part of motif. Thread has to be moved in a very systematic manner. If the movement is incorrect, you won't be able to fill the pattern. For a reference, you can also check my previous video of extended square pattern. Link has been given in the description box. You can go through it. If you are new to my channel, you can practice that pattern first and then try this one. This way, thread has to be moved all around. We have to cover the whole motif with this filling. Slightly fast forwarding my video, but you are able to see If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of mine. Please like, share and comment also on my videos. It will help me. Your feedback will help me perform better. This motif looks very beautiful on cushion covers. You can also try this on your bed sheets or pillowcases. Now you can see half of the motif has been completed. In the same manner, we have to move in this direction as I am showing you with till the starting point. We have to reach till the starting point. Now we have reached the starting point from where we have started the whole motif. It's looking beautiful. It requires some practice. But after doing this, it will look very beautiful. Now quickly showing you how to do the stem and the leaf parts. For stem I am using a brown color thread and doing a back stitch on it. We have to do all around this. Leaves have been made with lazy daisy stitch. I have already shown this in my previous video of borders, you can check there. After completing, the whole pattern will look like this. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.